myself. My name is Raffidan Saputra. In this video, I will explain in material tautology.
Tautology. Definition of tautology. Tautology is a compound statement that is always true for every possible truth value contained in it. In mathematical logic, tautologies can be proven using truth table or logical properties. Example of tautologies are x equal y or x not equal y, and or the ball is green or the ball is not green. Tautologies are very important in logic and mathematics because they help in the proof and analysis of logical statements. They are also used in logic programming, modeling theory, and various other areas of computer science. Understanding tautologies and the ability to identify them is an important skill in problem solving and building logical argument in computer science and a number of other disciplines. Contradiction. Contradiction is a concept in informatic logic that is the opposite of tautology. If a tautology is a statement that is always true, then a contradiction is a statement that is always false or contradictory. A simple example of a contradiction in propositional logic is the statement P and not P, where P is any proposition. This is a contradiction because it is impossible for P and not P to be true at the same time. In predicate logic, contradiction may be more complex and involve multi-type statement and quantification of variable. For example, the statement "there is a human being who can live forever" is a contradiction is predicate logic because this contradicts the limited nature of human lifespan. Contradictions are important in logic because they indicate inconsistencies or error in a statement or argument. They are used to prove that an argument or logical system is inconsistent or contradictory. Contingency. Contingency is a concept in informatic logic that refers to logical statements or formulations that are not always true or false. In another sense, a contingent statement is a statement that can have varying truth values depending on certain situation or condition. A contingency statement is a statement that is neither always true nor always false. In propositional logic, a contingency statement is a statement that has a truth table with a mixture of true and false values. A simple example of a contingency statement is a statement "the weather today is nice," because the truth of this statement will vary depending on what is happening today. In predicate logic, contingents can be more complex and involve quantification of variables, predicates, and relationship between variables. For example, the statement "there is someone taller than 180 cm tall" is an example of a contingency statement because the truth of the statement will depend on the people who are being observed at any given time. The difference between tautology, contradiction, and contingency are as follows. 1. A tautology is a statement that is always true no matter what situation or condition. The consolation of a tautology is that the statement is true in all situations. 2. Contradiction is a statement that is always false no matter what the situation or condition. The consolation of the contradiction is that the statement is false in all situations. 3. Contingency is a statement that is not always true and not always false. The truth depends on the particular situation or condition. The consolation of a contingency statement is that its truth or falsity varies depending on the situation at hand. Conclusion. The conclusion that can be drawn is about the nature of the statement itself. Tautologies are always true, contradictions are always false, and contingents can have varying truth values depending on the context. It is important to understand this difference in the context of logic, programming, and problem solving, as they can help in better analysis and decision making.